If your business isn't ranking in the top 3 on Google Maps, you're losing customers to competitors. The good news is you can fix that fast without spending a dime on ads or hiring an agency. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to rank higher on Google Maps in 2025 and bring in more local leads. Step 1, claim and verify your profile. So before anything else, make sure that you've claimed and verified your Google business profile. That's going to unlock the tools and features we're going to use, and it's required if you want to control what shows up in search. To do that, you just go to google.com/business, follow the steps to set up or claim your listing. Step 2, complete every section. So now fill out every single part of your profile. Google rewards complete and accurate listings with better visibility. So just double check that you've got these things like your business name, your address, your phone number, your website, hours of operation, description, your services, your photos, and your categories all filled out. And this is going to tell Google that you're legit, active, and relevant, so you're more likely to show up for searches in your area. Step 3, add high-quality photos. Photos are going to show Google and your customers that your business is real and active, so add photos of your work. It can be your team, your space, whatever you can put up there that's going to build some trust. And a pro tip is to post new photos regularly to keep your profile fresh and engaging. Step 4, choose the right categories. So choosing the right categories is one of the most important ranking steps. There are free Chrome extensions out there that you can use. Some examples would be GMB Everywhere and Pliper. You can use those to spy on which categories your top competitors are using, and then you can just match what's working. You get 1 primary category and up to 9 secondary categories. Only use what's relevant, or you're going to end up confusing Google and your customers. Step 5, add services and pages. Add every relevant service that you do to your profile. This helps your business show up for specific search terms like emergency roof repair or kitchen cabinet refacing. And then if you want to go one step further, you can create a dedicated page or a blog post on your website for each service that you list. That content boosts your profile's relevance and sometimes leads to ranking bumps in like 24 hours. Step 6, get more reviews. So reviews are definitely one of the biggest signals Google uses to rank businesses. So you need a strong rating, a steady stream of new reviews, and fast responses. And if you want an easier way to start collecting reviews, you can get my free app at standoutfast.com. It helps you request real reviews from your customers automatically by text, email, or QR code. Step 7, optimize your hours. Your visibility changes depending on whether you're open or closed. So, if competitors are open when you're not, they'll often outrank you during those hours. You can use Pliper again to check when others in your niche are open, and then just adjust your hours if it makes sense for your operating hours. Even staying open like 1 extra hour could put you ahead. Step 8, improve your website. The link on your Google business profile actually matters. Google takes the time to check that page for relevance. So on your website, you want to make sure that it loads fast and it looks great on mobile. That it mentions your service and your location. Like if you put plumber and then a city name, you want to make sure that that's mentioned on your website. And then you want to make sure that your name, your address, and your phone number match exactly what you've put on the Google business profile against what's on your website. And if you have a physical location, you can embed a Google map on your contact or your homepage. It's like a small detail, but it reinforces your location to Google and it builds trust with visitors. Step 9, add attributes. So Google lets you add attributes to your listings like wheelchair accessible or Wi-Fi available. These can match you to more specific searches like kid-friendly dentist near me. So if you want to do that, you just go to Edit Profile, More, and add any that apply, but skip the ones that you don't offer. For example, don't turn on online appointments unless it's real, because doing so can hide your services section. Step 10, Google posts are like social media updates, but they appear directly in search results. So post updates or offers or events. If FAQs come in, you can also answer those questions as they come in. Posting regularly shows Google that your business is active. And as a bonus, customers love seeing updates too. They like to see the work that you're doing. And when they're looking for something specific, if there's an update that they happen to spot that's very similar to what they're looking for, chances are high that they're going to end up finding you and calling you. And then step 11, check for duplicates. You want to search your business name on Google Maps and just make sure that you don't have multiple listings out there because duplicates hurt your ranking and they end up confusing customers. So if you find extras, remove them or merge them as soon as possible. Ranking higher on Google Maps doesn't require a big budget, it just takes a smart plan. If you want personalized help with your listing and you want to see how I've helped local businesses save time while growing quickly, you can visit standoutfast.com and we can jump on a call. And for other simple ways to grow your local business online, make sure that you check out these other videos.